Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 212 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today, we're letting things roll off. The stress, the noise, the things that don't belong to you. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and a slow breath out. Picture your body like a smooth leaf. Whatever doesn't serve you just slides away. Now, say quietly to yourself, I let this roll off. It's not mine to carry, and I stay in my peace. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present. Carry this calm with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.